Now we will be studying the difference between data type and data structures. Okay. So the agenda of today's class is the difference between data type and data structures. So here we have data type and here we have data structure. Okay. Now, data type is the kind of form of a variable which is being used throughout the program. It defines that particular variable will assign the values of the given data type only. Okay. So data type will be is the kind or a form of variable, okay, which is being used throughout the program, and it defines that particular variable will assign the value of the given data type only. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर इंटीजर डेटा टाइप है तो आप उसे इंटीजर वैल्यू ही असाइन कर सकते हो. कैरेक्टर डेटा टाइप है तो आप कैरेक्टर वैल्यू ही असाइन कर सकते हो. सिमिलरली फ्लोट, बुलियन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है? इट इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ डेटा. ओके. सो डेटा स्ट्रक्चर इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ ओके. नाउ सेकेंड पॉइंट ये है कि इम्प्लीमेंटेशन थ्रू डेटा टाइप इज कॉल्ड दी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. ठीक है. जो इसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होता है डेटा टाइप का, उसे हम कहते हैं एब्स्ट्रैक्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. ठीक है. बट जो डेटा स्ट्रक्चर का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होता है, ठीक है, उसे हम कहते हैं व्हाट? इट्स नोन एज concrete implementation. Okay. Data type can hold values and not data. Okay. So this thing can hold only values and not data. Okay. जबकि this thing, data structure can hold different kinds and types of data within a single object. So this thing can hold different kinds and types of data, holds different kinds and okay. जो वैल्यूज होती हैं दे कैन डायरेक्टली बी असाइन टू द डेटा टाइप वेरिएबल. ठीक है. इन डेटा टाइप वैल्यूज कैन डायरेक्टली बी असाइन टू द डेटा टाइप वेरिएबल्स. ठीक है. तो आप इसे डेटा टाइप वेरिएबल्स को असाइन कर सकते हो. दिस इज द रीज़न इट इज़ ओनली होल्डिंग वैल्यूज. ठीक है. डेटा नहीं. एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट फॉर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर इज डेटा इज असाइंड टू डेटा स्ट्रक्चर ऑब्जेक्ट यूजिंग सम सेट ऑफ एल्गोरिथम्स एंड ऑपरेशंस. राइट. सो when you want to assign a data to a data structure object, you need certain sets of algorithms or operations, right? जैसे कि operations can be push pop आपके stack में चलते हैं, etc. So there are different names for different operations. So again, if we want to revise it, right? तो अभी हमने डिफरेंस में क्या पढ़ लिया है? वी स्टडीड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेटा टाइप एंड डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. डेटा टाइप इज अ वन विच इज डेटा टाइप इज डिफाइंड as the kind of form of variable which is being used throughout the program, and it defines that particular variable will assign the values of a given data type only. On the other hand, data structure is a collection of different kinds of data. The implementation when done using data type is known as abstract implementation, and when the implementation is done using data structures, it is known as concrete implementation. Data type can hold only values, not data, but on the other hand, data structure can hold different kinds and types of data within a single object. Okay. And the last point was that in data type, values can directly be assigned to data type variable. On the other hand, in data structure, data is assigned to data structure object using some set of algorithms and operations. Operations can be push, pop, etc. In the case of stack, these are push and pop. So different data structures have different set of operations. Okay. Next. We don't have any issue of time complexity in data type, so there is no problem of one second. So basically we have no problem of time complexity in तो यहाँ पे जो टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी का इश्यू नहीं रह जाता. ओके, लेट मी रब दिस थिंग ऑफ. Okay, so there is absolutely no problem of time complexity in data type. Okay. On the other hand, data structure has a concept of time complexity. What do you understand by time complexity? Time complexity is the amount of time required by the algorithm to run. Okay, so we have the concept of time complexity here. Okay, and last we have example, which is example is int, then we have float, right, then we have double, and here we have examples like we have stack, we have tree, queue. Okay, so now next we are going to study the different types of data type. Okay, so data type is basically of two types. We have primitive, okay, we have primitive data type, and we have non-primitive data type. Okay, we'll study in detail what are primitive data type and non-primitive data type. As of now, focus on this flowchart. Okay, so primitive data type can be further divided into two subtypes, which are Boolean and numeric. Boolean में Boolean data type आएगा. Numeric में we have characters and integrals. Character and integral. ठीक है. नॉन प्रिमिटिव में आपके जो एग्जाम्पल्स आ जाते हैं वो होता है स्ट्रिंग, यू हैव एरे एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है. कैरेक्टर विल होल्ड ए कैरेक्टर डेटा टाइप, वेयर एज इंटीग्रल विल hold again two types of data. Okay, and those are either they will be integer or they will be floating point. ठीक है. Integer में again we have subtypes. They can be byte, they can be short, they can be int, also they can be long. Okay, and floating में we have two categories. They can be float and they can be double. Okay, so this is the basic distribution of various types of data type. Okay. Now, next we are going to study what are primitive data type and what are non-primitive data type. Okay. So, primitive data type is a data type. See, data type and primitive data type, they are used as interchangeable variables. Okay, they are both the same. They are predefined types of data which are supported by the programming language. Okay. So primitive data type को आप normally data type भी कहते हो, like they are used interchangeably. Okay, and how are we going to define primitive data type? That primitive data type are the predefined types of data which are supported by the programming language. Okay, so which are supported by the programming language. इसके आप एग्जाम्पल क्या लिख सकते हो? इसके एग्जाम्पल हो सकते हैं इंटीजर, राइट, देन यू हैव इवन कैरेक्टर, राइट, string, no not string, integer, character. ठीक है. Next we have non-primitive data type. Okay, so non-primitive data type are not defined by the programming language. Okay, they have to be created by the programmers. ठीक है. तो जो non-primitive होते हैं they are not defined by the programming language. मैं इसको PL कह रही हूँ. Okay, they have to be created by the programmers. Okay, they are also called reference variables or object references because they reference a memory location which stores the data. Okay, so they are also known as reference variables or object references. Object references. And why they are given this term? Because since they reference a memory location which stores the data. And how are they derived? They are derived from the primary data type. Okay, so they are derived from the ठीक है. So इसके एग्जाम्पल्स क्या हो जाएंगे? इसके एग्जाम्पल्स हो जाएंगे array. Okay, you can have structure, union, ये सब आपने पढ़ा होगा आई गेस उप्स में. यू कैन हैव स्टैक्स क्यूज, ये सब आप पढ़ेंगे पर नाम तो सुना ही होगा. Okay, so we have studied the difference between data type and data structure, and we have also studied the different types of data type जो कि है primitive and non-primitive, which are further divided. Okay, thank you.